I want to talk about a new yellow I never used. It's the MaimeriBlu transparent yellow, number 122. I was looking through my color chart and I found out that this is a transparent one, and it looks like more like Camboge we used to have. Maimeri got a Camboge too. I shall have a look if I can find that one. Oh, it's below this, but it is a bit too orange for me. The Camboge I used to have makes nice greens, and this one doesn't make a nice green. It is a good color, but it makes not the greens I want. So let's grab a brush and make a swatch. Oh, it's cool, not too cool. Let's try with a bit of phthalo green, phthalo blue. That's a nice green. Fresh young grass, or something like that. Try a bit of cobalt with it. This makes a more natural grass. I like that. I use mix 50-50 now. Of course you can do 10% blue and 10%, 90% yellow, or 80 or 60. Now with ultramarine blue. Of course, ultramarine blue is a bit warmer than the cobalt. Oh, nice. Let's clean my palette a bit. Because I go over a bit to the left. And I have an alizarin. Oh, it makes it nice orange too, with alizarin, and that is a cool red. Let me see if I can find cadmium red. It's not on my palette, but I'm sure you want to see it. Squeeze it in. This is what I thought it would be. Look how that ultramarine and that yellow that is granulating a lot. Love it. Not always. Was it granulating? Yes, granulating number 1. Just lightly. Lightly granulating. Because I saw here, where is it? Ah, here, a potter's pink. It's granulating 3. Manganese violet, also 3. It's too much for me. You have here even a 4. Cerulean. Cerulean sky blue. I don't have that color. I don't have these two, by the way. I keep in general the normal colors. Well, what can we mix more? I don't have much more. I have a phthalo green. Well, let's look like a bit more like that. It's not a wow. With burnt sienna, I don't think. Well, I don't even try burnt sienna. That is. You know what I try? I try the Payne's Grey. Payne's Grey. A lot of people don't say, of teachers, don't use Payne's Grey. Well, every good artist in the past used Payne's Grey. They used white. They used black. Only not in the way they do it these days. Now they make great pictures and they fluff it up with opaque colors. Okay, I like to do the one before here. Payne's Grey and yellow, sorry, yellow transparent 122. Transparent yellow. Further, I have all big brushes, and I have a rigger. Another rigger. Now I have number 4 and number 6. especially for my friend Jim. Well, it's for detailed work. Okay, thank you.